Doing push-ups is great for making your whole body stronger. But is it okay to do push-ups every day? In this video, I'll explain what happens to your body when you do push-ups every day for a month. Make sure to watch the whole video because we'll be sharing the best way to optimize your push-up routine. Let's get started! Push-ups. Push-ups are a simple exercise that you can do anywhere without needing special equipment. Whether you're at the gym, home, or outside, you can easily do push-ups. They help you get strong and build muscles, especially in your triceps and chest. If you want to check how fit you are, push-ups are a quick and easy way to do that. A study even showed that the number of push-ups you can do in 30 seconds is a good way to see how healthy and fit you are overall. Doing push-ups is not only good for your muscles but also for your heart. It's even better when combined with other exercises to keep your cardiovascular system in good shape. Do push-ups every day. If you do push-ups along with cardio and squats, you can make your heart strong, just like how you strengthen your triceps and chest. Is it okay to do push-ups every day? Yes, it's generally fine, but be careful if your arm muscles have issues. You can do them daily if you keep it moderate. For example, if your maximum is 25 push-ups, aim for 10 to 20 reps. If your maximum is between 25 and 50, do 2 sets of 10 to 20 reps. If your maximum is over 50, try 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 20 reps. If you're doing a lot of push-ups and going for the max, it's better to do them every other day. But, like with any exercise, adjust the plan to suit your body. If you feel too tired, take a break and work out the next day. Push-ups are a basic exercise that makes your whole body stronger. While they mainly work the arms and chest, they also involve your core and legs, making them beneficial for your entire body. Regular push-ups. What happens if you do push-ups every day? Regular push-ups make your joints stronger, improve muscle tone, and build strength. They are especially good for the muscles around your shoulder joints, which help move your arm bones without them coming out of the joint. It's important to gradually increase the number of push-ups to build more strength in your muscles. Overloading weak muscles can lead to tears or damage to ligaments. Having stronger muscles can lower the risk of heart diseases. Studies have shown that greater muscle strength is linked to a lower risk of heart disease. In one study with 1,104 men, those who did more than 40 push-ups had a 96% lower risk of heart disease than those who did less than 10 push-ups. However, it's important to note that only healthy middle-aged men with an active lifestyle were part of this study. If you do 50 push-ups every day for a month, you'll likely see significant improvements in your physical fitness. The muscles in your arms, deltoids, triceps, and biceps will develop rapidly, leading to fat loss in these areas. This can enhance your overall health and boost your self-esteem. In the first week, you might feel some pain and discomfort in your arms and upper abs, but your body will gradually get used to the load. As you continue, your body will build muscle to handle the challenge, and you'll notice increased overall physical strength. Just be mindful that results may vary from person to person. By the way, make sure to check out other videos on this channel for more information. See you soon!